So I literally just rolled out of bed and this is gonna be a completely different video than usual. For this video, I wanted to share the 1,500 calories I have meal prepped last night. If you guys want, I can make a video of myself meal prepping, so I can like put the camera far away and then maybe another camera pointing at my food, and I can show you exactly what I'm doing in the kitchen, because I am a very logical cook. I don't really grab recipes from anywhere. I just open the fridge, see what's in there, see what's gonna work, and that's me cooking, if you didn't realize. Okay, so I have all my food. Why am I clapping? I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get started. I have all my food right here in this little baggie. It is my first day meal prepping because I am entering a 60-day transformation challenge that I hope I win. I want to win. Yeah, I'm very competitive. If you guys didn't know. Number one, we have oatmeal for the morning. I made 2 of these today. I usually have 1 thingy of oatmeal and I have a protein shake, but I ran out of protein shake. Legion Athletics makes the best protein shake in the world. I am going to share some supplements that I take that I love in the future. Not now, but in here I have oats, almond milk, cinnamon, stevia, mixed berries, chia seeds, and almond butter. I can literally eat oatmeal all day long, and there is almost 300 calories in here. So we got 2 of these, 300 calories each. That's 600 calories right there. Then I don't have this for dinner. Never mind. I just really want to try my lunch, because it's the first time that I've made this. Okay, so for my lunch, I have my lunch. Oh my gosh, girl, get yourself together. For my lunch, I made pad thai. I used spinach, garlic, mushrooms, high protein tofu noodles, peanut butter, and then I wanted to throw sesame seeds on top, but I had no sesame seeds, so I threw everything bagel on this. It smells really yummy. And I cooked with no oil because oil just adds calories that you do not need. So I just cooked with a non-stick pan that I got at TJ Maxx. It's amazing. I can also share my pans with you guys if you want to see that. I will share anything and everything you guys need as help for your journey. Then for dinner, we have curry and sweet potato. Well, I would say curry flavored chickpeas and sweet potato, because it's not curry. This is not what my curry looks like when I make it. In here, I threw garbanzo beans, broccoli, the sweet potato, the high protein tofu. And then for the seasonings, I threw in minced garlic, salt, pepper, curry powder, a little bit of cumin powder. You can also add things like basil. Oh my gosh, I love fresh basil, but I'm always out. If you have fresh basil, just plop it on top. And then I added a little bit of soy sauce because I told you I don't cook with oil, so sometimes my food can start sticking to the pan a little bit. So a little bit of soy sauce will fix your problem. If you have onion, you can also use onion in this. I didn't have onion. You gotta make with what you got, you know? But that is what I meal prepped. Oh no, I have a snack. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, like I flipped out and it's not even that great. I'm eating an apple for my snack, but it's an opal apple and it's organic from Whole Foods. Hashtag not sponsored. Oh my gosh, I'm being so annoying right now. Honestly, if you guys don't get annoyed by me, I freaking love you. Alrighty, so I will end the video right here because I already blabbed for too long. But if you guys have questions, leave them on Instagram, DM me, or leave them on the comment section down below. I want to help you so badly because I finally know what to do. For so long I did not know and I was so confused, but I know what I'm doing, guys, okay? And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And also don't forget to subscribe since you're already here. And wherever you are, I hope you have a good morning or a good night if you are on the other side of the earth, okay? I love you. Bye.